Hi everyone, so I'm just back with a very quick video of a freebie that I've put together, which will be available over on my Ko-fi shop. I will put a direct link in the description box for you to find this. Now it's 5 pages, and one of the pages is my ink. I need to change my ink, so it's a little bit eek, okay? So, but it's not going to be like that when you print it, unless your ink's running out. So anyway, it's 5 pages. 3 pages are like journal pages. Yeah, you could kind of tell there that it was kind of running out a little bit. So it's bunnies, it's Easter, Easter themed. I mean, it doesn't have to be Easter themed. There's nothing Eastery about it really. I just thought the bunnies were Easter to me, so we'll just call it bunnies. We won't call it Easter. So there's that page, and then there's that one. So it's just like these are my own collages in the background, and the rest is obviously digitals that I've purchased or got from Creative Market. This is the one that's really the ink was running out of. You can see it there and there and here, actually all over. So it doesn't actually got all them purple lines in it. Hasn't got them purple lines in it. You will see if you go over and get it. Oh, I need to sort that out. Well, actually, I do need to sort that out. But have I uploaded that yet? No, I haven't. If not, you would cut that off anyway. But no, I will sort that. Thought I'd done it. So 3 tags. And then here we've got a library card, a postcard, and then I think this is like a French check type thing with a bunny in the background. So you can find that over on my Ko-fi shop, and you can check out my other freebies on that section, and digitals and journals and things like that as well. So there we go, little freebie for you.